Hello homeowners, if your LG washer or any other washer is leaking from the door, then chances that there are issues with the door gasket is very high. In this video, I'm going to explain you what happened and why. Hey, I'm Gary. I run my appliance repair business here in Calgary. On my YouTube channel, I post a video for you with tips on how to maintain your home appliances and what can be wrong with your appliance if it's acting up. Please subscribe and let me explain to you what happened with your LG washer door gasket. First of all, the issue is not specific only to LG washers. It can happen with any make of the washer. Secondly, if you notice that the floor under your washer is wet, you may not see where the water is coming from. Typically, the hole in the door gasket is small, and the water that is coming through that hole is not going to flood your home immediately, but it will be leaking. So that's what needs to be done to find out if the door gasket is broken or not.
Customer complaint was that their washing machine was leaking. It leaked less on larger loads and more on smaller. And as you can see, we have a hole in the door gasket here, just this little hole, and that'll cause quite a big problem.
Now the main question you are asking, why the door gasket got a hole? You'll be curious, especially if you're gentle with your washer. From my experience, it could be anything. A stuck piece of cloth or some kind of a solid metal piece easily can damage the door gasket. So don't be afraid to fix the issue. Call your appliance repair company and they will get it done for you. And by the way, you may want to watch my other video to understand if it's worth replacing the door gasket for the LG washer or any other washers or not. I will put the link into the description below. If you still have some questions, feel free to drop them into the comments and I will do my best to answer all of them. That's it for today. Subscribe, smash the like. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.